Oh, now welcome back on Top the Night Show.
Sweet baby me. Ya mafia yo como. Yo manateur on terre serré. Oh, sweet baby me. Oh, imata mio. Oh, ya mafia. Talking fun to yo serré. Oh, sweet baby. To yo serré. Yo mafia. Oh, imatamio. My can work and make one can equate in their language. You want a mom for me, my could shake a cameo, now I'm by me. Make a way water in my language. I think you understand what I'm saying.
Hey, you don't understand
deep truth.
We understand.
Truth. So, am I quick water, my quick water for a bobbing into my bante cam? Spread about with them.
Yes, true.
The thing with them,
true.
You know, so.
Anyway, I beg. Welcome back to iTunes. Welcome back to the Night Show. I beg wanna follow us. Welcome Timi Dakolo.
Wait, that sweet song. Oh, he says with somebody.
Choose.
He might not. Let me tell you something.
Timi Dakolo might not be here. Now match Real Madrid and Barcelona and Bayern Munich. 9 days, man. But anyway, it's Timi Dakolo. Welcome to the show.
Who will win that game?
Who will win the game? I will know who will win the game.
No, the winner.
The winners.
The winners will win. People that go to win and champion.
Timi, I beg.
And person go think say you normal.
For
so
those
all these days.
I'm more serious now. This is I don't know what
this guy not normal. You know, say if this guy not they sing, na comedian for me. This guy way this is so this guy not where.
I don't know what you're talking about, man.
So yeah, me. Ooh, can we come back?
Man, don't
talk to you. I can't take that because I'm in your program.
Hi, yeah. Yeah, me. Do you understand him? Mama sing one can say tangaro.
Timi Dakolo, for those who don't know you, who be Timi Dakolo?
How do you very good bad guy?
Good. First of all, my main position right now is I'm a professional house husband. There's no other job I do except I have show to go and sing. And when I return from show, I continue from where I stopped, changing diapers, bathing children. People in my village think I've arrived.
Help me on this AC now. This place is hot. So unlike the four of the AC.
So you don't know the gist.
Unlike 4.
They do.
Katim, leave me and talk to Timi Dakolo. Now, Timi, you just your new song. What's the name of that song?
Wish Me Well.
Wish Me Well. You the video they come outside today.
Yes.
You never did. Okay, I don't see the picture. Anyway, for those of you who just they join us, Timi Dakolo there for inside studio and the video of Wish Me Well, you go see am first.
So all these days, you are a very wicked somebody.
You go see am first.
Me, excuse me. About me, we have case in the studio. So don't get the AC. The case is sweating up and they will about hellfire.
Just make this great.
It's not a very good thing. Don't do that again. Don't carry our, behind and
anyway, we go watch the video of Timi Dakolo, Wish Me Well, the premiere.
Because we went by for today. I like this thing when I do. My sweet baby, how is things?
Alright, don't talk about.
When we look the video, we they come back. This Nedu because you say they tell you say you.
We're never ready to watch the video now. We're never ready to watch the video.
What do you want to talk about the video?
We're never ready to watch the video. We're not ready to watch the video now.
Nedu,
we're not watch out.
Stand up.
We're not. I'm not stand up.
Nedu, stand up.
I'm not stand up.
Nedu, stand up today. This show go finish. Nedu, I say stand up. Nedu, stand up now.
That touch, please.
Stand up.
Put your own stand up.
Even
Nedu, stand up.
Put your own stand up.
Nedu, stand up.
Nice jacket.
Sit down.
Are you happy now?
Finish. Continue.
Good. Well, Timi Dakolo, I'm from. Since when you don't into music, for those we don't know, I know you're a singist.
No, in single.
You're a singist. From Nigeria, I'm Nigeria. Which I'm idol?
West Africa.
West Africa idol. You know win now.
I win.
Okay, now you are no man with me. Okay, Oma me come third, I be second. Second, now you can win. That time I be the thing say your money go finish. Say you no go come know what you go to do again. No, say you come, they tell me they do how far. You know so that time you tell me say if they go shows, whether you go feel carry me. You know so I be comedian, make you perform.
You there for your house, they think all those things. The heart of a man is wicked too.
He's desperate wicked.
I be there the things but more just wait. Find nothing happen. Timi Dakolo come on song. Find nothing happen. Another song. I say
you know where he make him win.
And this guy,
that in voice when he sing Michael Bolton.
This guy, very very cunning human being.
Yeah, cunning there.
Very very And wait, another thing apart from saying Timi Dakolo dey for here.
You don't look it.
Timi Dakolo na my, I go call her my friend.
Your bastard cousin.
Your stupid cousin.
Bastard cousin.
Very human being. Very this guy when they see a very human being. But one thing why I respect about Timi Dakolo, na in humility.
Like in
humility.
No, there's nothing like that in the dictionary.
Okay, what's the correct word?
Humility.
Humility, my brother. Shebi you understand? Shebi as I talk humility now, you know what I talk about.
No, we don't know.
So now Timi Dakolo humility. Now be one thing when they be say they sweet me for belle. Now Timi, for those when be say not know anything about you, you don't marry.
Happily.
The very beautiful wife. In case you don't know, now Timi Dakolo wife 9 days for that video of Yawo me. Now then too they push that motor. Where you shoot that video?
One place outside Lagos, so please fine.
So you carry him code, you pay him.
Oh, I bribe her. Just
I take bribe her. I take bribe her.
I say she go use my card. Shop
so she
online.
didn't give her your card.
She do half first, then half later. And I walk.
Part of great day video.
I'm telling you.
Now you get 3 wonderful kids. I be 2. 3 wonderful kids. You are a house father.
House husband.
So
house husband.
You even want more children.
No, I see. There's, you know, the guy the be.
It's okay.
See, school fees na original. See, school fees. Now be the real birth control.
My needs are
school fees for Lagos na birth control.
School fees is the best control. School fees is the birth control. When you hear school fees,
when you hear how much?
When your wife call you, baby, come inside the room. You say, don't worry, I'm okay in the parlor.
No, God will provide. No.
Now,
don't test God. Don't test God.
God never leave his own unattended.
For the sake of time, we'll not to get time. Back, show go so finish. Now, let me ask you, what make you enter into music? What do you do before you enter into music?
For Canada.
I don't do many things. Trust me, I don't do many things. But basically, I grew up for Port Harcourt.
Okay.
They also anyhow school finish, we do a fine job and all that. But I don't try to sing for choir small. But for the house we'll grow. You know if you can't they won't do music because they just bring out one. You know those A4 paper of how much they don't spend. From when you small. You know, you go fear, you dey sign. You know don't say you dey sign. Sign, I will return all the money. When they work, it's like investment. So if you can't say you won't go read music for our house.
All of us know that thing.
They will just come. There's no problem. This is the total money we have spent on you. Plus 15% VAT, plus interest, plus say inflation rate between that time and now. So now your money be this.
You could just quiet.
Now hide the the music. Hide. We say.
But when the music come blow.
That's our song.
That's it.
That's our song.
I knew there's something special about this
man. You see, when they go interview mama, he said from small for inside belly every time
I don't know.
Now music notes. Instead of make I do I go do I knew that time that this boy will do great things. Now, people don't know different things about you. People don't enter, they talk different stories. People don't know about you. Now, you come on new song, Wish Me Well. What did make you come out that new song, Wish Me Well? What you the reason? What make you come outside that song? Everybody has an idea. Where they start their life. Like, okay, one day you go sit down and say, no. Even if you work for bank, even if you work as a company where not be your own, one day you go decide, say, I they put so much into this thing, I need to do my own thing. There has to be more to life than where I am right now. So see, I they carry everything, both my plans, my fear, my idea for my back. I they go somewhere. If I perish, I perish. But all I'm saying, wish me well. Wish me well.
Hey! Michael, it could be sweet song.
That's a very good song.
You don't hear the song.
Anyway, those of you whenever hear the song Wish Me Well by Timi Dakolo. Timi Dakolo is somebody when he say any song where you come out, is always a Valaput. I don't know if you Valaput Zangut.
Same to you too, man. Same to you too. I don't know why, but same to you too.
Maybe we watch the video when they come back. When we come back, we're going to begin the call so that we're going to go talk to Timi Dakolo for Insta Studio. Those guys who want make him sing for you. He go sing for now. He go sing for studio today. No, anyway, maybe we watch the video when they come back.
Oh, the same voice too.
No, you go.
I beg.
Myself.
We stand up.
Myself.
That video.
About a one-way ticket.
Sit down. Keep quiet. Stop now. Sit down. I not gonna give you that video. Not the best video so far.
You are yours biased, Nedu.
No, I not gonna give you. Timi, tell us.
Don't be mad now.
You see that video?
See class.
Now movie. Tell us the story behind that video.
Yeah, I wanted, what I wanted was, I wanted to tell a story from not everybody. See, what I've learned in life is that everybody, when you hear this song, you think it's going to be about me.
Yes.
But I want to tell the story from another man's angle. I wanted to tell the story from a part where there's a blacksmith that builds bullets. Somehow it became restless in life. Like, no, there has to be more to life than this thing.
Not be just this thing they do.
The world out there is better. I can make it a better place. Rather than break it, let me make it. So he burnt up everything and went on to, instead of using the bullet that kills people, he was now in the battlefield, removing bullets from people. So at the end of the song, there's a quote that says, if you can't fly, walk. If you can't walk, crawl. But no matter what you do,
just move. Don't stand still.
Forward.
Just move forward.
So I'm telling everybody, whether you're a conductor, whether you're a banker, see, God is too smart to make any man, human being, ordinary. I think He has invested so much in every man to make us ordinary. Because the ordinary, I think, see, it is sheer wickedness. To me, that's my quote. It is sheer wickedness for a gifted person to settle for ordinary. Because you're depriving the world of who you are.
It is sheer wickedness for an ordinary person to settle for
the ordinary.
For ordinary person, for you to settle for the ordinary.
For a gifted person.
For a gifted person to settle for the ordinary. Timi Dakolo 2015.
Quote me.
Now you quote me that. Anyway, we go back to much chicken break for you. When we come back, all of una make una begin the call. Those of them who want to talk to Timi Dakolo, make una begin call. Now una get phone line and Timi. When we come back from break, we come back now. Hey!